Hello, my name is Peter. I work for 123 Sheets and I'm going to show you the accountant's quarterly filing demonstration for self-employed. So we're on the Making Tax Digital for Accountants page. We'll click on Try Demo and we'll select the self-employed demo. We'll select a client and we'll get the obligations from HMRC. We can see that we've got on the to-do page, we've got 3 outstanding quarterly submissions to make and later the end of period statement, and one of the quarters has already been filed, so I would expect to see that in the history page. Yep, there it is. We can amend and view that, but now let's go ahead and make the second quarterly submission. So we'll click on File. Now there are 2 choices here. If I happen to have my own spreadsheet that I'm been happily using for many years, you'd choose the default spreadsheet option. That is where you are just making use of our filing template to transpose your figures in your existing spreadsheet across to our filing template. So let's do that one first and then we'll have a look at this other option in a moment. So in this example, it's a small business. The turnover is below 85,000, so we're going to tick that box that we can submit simplified expenses, where we've consolidated the expenses all into just one single figure. So let's go and have a look at the spreadsheet for that. Here's our filing template. In this example, we have decided to insert the filing template into the existing spreadsheet of fictitious sales and purchases. You don't have to insert that. You can keep it as a separate spreadsheet and then just make sure you're transposing the figures across with a digital link. There's a nice big profit at the total at top here. It should it should match the total down the bottom. So let's just go ahead and transpose some figures. So sales first of all, we go to that box, put an equal sign, select the sales total and click enter, and then do the same with the expenses. Now this is where the consolidated expenses go, so we can put the expenses here all together, and we don't have any disallowable expenses in this example. So we can see that we're expecting to file to HMRC £8,817 profit for the quarter. Typically a bookkeeper might actually do their own separate sort of reconciliation of the profit to make sure that that matches what they're expecting for the bookkeeping. So that matches, so that means that's ready to go. 8,817 is what we're expecting to send to HMRC. So we go back to the website. We can either drag and drop that file here, or we can choose the file and go down to the spreadsheet. Here it is, and upload that. And I can see, yep, there's the profit 8817 as I was expecting. Tick the confirmation box and file the return. Great, so now what we'll do is we'll have a look at filing a return, but this time using the 123 Sheets bookkeeping for a spreadsheet for a sole trader. So we're going to be filing or uploading to the 123 Sheets website a PDF. Our bookkeeping spreadsheets produce PDFs that can be uploaded to our website. So we'll select that option and we'll go to our bookkeeping spreadsheets. This is the 123 Sheets bookkeeping. Before you hand it out to a client or get your junior to complete the bookkeeping, first of all you go to the settings page and set it up sort of yes and no to all these various questions to make the spreadsheet more complicated or more simple according to your needs. Say for example, are they VAT registered? In this example they are VAT registered. And we go to data entry and we can see that various sales entries have been put in, and we can see that various purchase entries have been put in, and there are some other entries where you put capital allowances, CIS tax deducted, and other bits and pieces that are not expenses as per se. Then let's say we're now ready to do a quarterly filing, so we'll go to the income tax file button down here on the reporting section, and we're doing the second quarter. We might first of all want to have a look at the detailed report to make sure that we're happy with what's about to be sent to HMRC. So that generates the second quarter PDF. I can clearly see at the top that the profit we're sending to HMRC is basically £13,000. And here's the headline page with the information that we've got. And then the detailed information follows below. So suppose for example bad debts of £500 and we're not quite sure what that's made up of because it's a PDF, we can then go Control F for and the fine box comes up. We can put bad And then bad debts, there's one there, and we go to the next one, bad debts here. Oh yeah, that's right, it was these two people that still haven't paid us for quite some time ago. Yeah, all of the analysis is here for the transactions. So it's the headline page first, plus detailed transactions here with totals that match the summary page. Once you're happy that that's all hunky-dory, you can close that and you can produce the HMRC filing PDF. So we'll do that now. That's going to lock the period so that we can't go back and edit the transactions that have now been sent to HMRC for a quarter. So yes, please, we'll lock that and we'll generate that filing PDF. Oops, I've done it for the wrong quarter. It was this quarter I meant to do. Yeah, the October one. That will generate our filing PDF, and the filing PDF is just the summary page without the detail. And yet we've still got the profit of just shy of 13,000 there. So that's ready to go. So we can go back to the website now, and we can either drag and drop that PDF here, or we can go and choose it, which I'll do here. So it was the October one, the filing quarter. Okay, report, upload that, and yep, there's our 13,000 there that we were expecting. So that's all ready to go, and the period's correct, and it's got the correct client name, Alison there. Okay, we'll tick the confirmation box, and we'll file that and send that to HMRC. So hopefully you can see how quick and easy it is to use our software. You could then go to the history tab that will draw down information from HMRC, and you'd then be able to see your return that you just filed. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed our video, and we look forward to working with you if you like our software and want to proceed. Thanks very much. Goodbye.